How you doing? Tim, T-Town T-Shirts, back with another video. You see it? You see it? 30-oz tumbler, straight. Got my heat processing, tumbler press. Got my print, all that other good stuff to cut it out. Gotta change the platen over though. So let's get at that real quick. We're gonna undo the end here. Undo these. Get these all out of here. Take that off, just leave those out of there now because we have to put them back in. Cool, there's that. Yeah, I was doing small cups before, but keep all my tumbler press stuff inside this little box. And we gotta take these ones out. All 4 of them are gonna go in there. So I think this is like the 8-in-1, so it covers all of it. And make sure this is the right one. Yeah, cool. All right, so we'll tighten this up a little bit. We'll put these screws back in, 4 on each side. I don't use this much. I haven't used this hardly at all. I've used it a few times. Don't even know if that fits the 30-oz tumbler. I jumped up the size. I just printed it off, so I may edit the video out of the right size, or if it's right, we'll find out. It's for my son for Christmas. I am close making stuff for customers. Right now I am in process of Christmas stuff for my own family. Wanted to shut down like 2 weeks before Christmas or a week before Christmas, but never made it. Had orders I had to do. We're here now. Give me a second, I'll finish this up. All tight. This will go into the box. You gotta line it up correctly. Alright, close this up, and I leave a dry thing inside of it to keep the moisture out. Those stay in the house, but keep the moisture out. I'll be right back and grab the directions. Alright, back. A lot of people are going to ask where I got tumblers from. These are Johnson Plastic Plus tumblers. And they give you directions for spot, if you just had a spot to go in there, or full. So do a full wrap. Oh wait, there we go. So 360. So let's turn this on. We'll bring it over here so you can see that. All right. So we're gonna do 360, 375. So we're gonna hit OK. That gets the Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna set the temperature. Press and hold, and it'll go real fast. We're gonna go to, let's meet it in the middle. Let's do 365. Let's do 365. There we go. Here's the right directions. Yeah, 360, 365. Full wrap for 65 to 75 seconds. So hit enter again because that's the time. And then we're going to do 65 seconds. So that's 60. Oh, it does go to 65. So it's a 65 to 75. So let's go to 70. 70 seconds. We'll let it warm up. It's already at 113 degrees. This usually takes, I don't know, I think probably 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to warm all the way up. All right, so I got this nice little cutter here. I don't use this very often, but for this I will. I want to cut all of these off straight. Try to get no white showing. This table is not level. So the table has a bow in it so it doesn't sit flat. So we'll get it though. Try to see which way it goes. There's a cut. This was printed on my Epson F570. I normally use my 7720, but for these I figured we'll use these. Let's see. Well, that goes there. See if it wraps around. Heat press is ready to go. Pull that down. And okay, so you see it overhangs quite a bit. So you can cut some of it off or leave it. You're not going to want that much overhang. You're not going to want that much overhang, so that's what we're going to do here is we're going to see how far we're going to go. And I'm going to put a little rip, tater chip. There we go, a little rip in that. Flip that upside down. We'll line it up upside down on this table here. And put this in the line. And all this is straight, so if I use my alignments on the table, we'll be good to go too. Cool. Now let's check it. There we go. Good enough, right? Okay. All right, so we're going to check the pressure on the press. I did not check that. Warm this cup up a little bit too, to be honest with you. Yeah, pretty tight. We'll loosen these up. Okay. Pressure's good. Let me go grab a towel, wipe that off real quick. Be right back. Get my paper ready to cover it up. Seeing that I'm using Epson paper, I want to cover up my tumbler to protect the platen. All right, heat tape. Definitely gonna need heat tape. And let's wipe this tumbler down. This is a straight tumbler, they say. Trying to see which way, make sure it's going the right way. This goes this way. All right, so we'll make sure that it's straight enough, and we will get that tight. Get a piece of tape. Tape right there. Come up here. Tape right there. We'll get this real tight here. Tape there. Tape there, and then we'll take one long piece and go across the whole thing. All right, there's that. So all of this bottom stuff right here, they want you to tape all of that. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm cool with it. This is for my son, so you could take the tape and go around like that, but we will just press it like this. So I'm gonna start with the seam, at least in. I don't like the seam being up top. I want the seam always being covered. So this has temperatures for 65 seconds, press 1 of 2, and then 45 seconds from 2. So we're going to rotate it on the second turn. We'll put that in there. Rotate that. Okay. And now we'll turn it. We'll get that in there. As it counts down. Do you guys see that buckle right there? I always see that buckle when I do tumblers. But we'll go with it. Heat glove. 9 seconds. I got the wrong glove. It's beeping. I'm going to take this. I'm going to spin it. Like that. Lock it down. What are we going to do? 45 seconds. 45 to 55. So we'll go 50. So that started at 65. So 65. So we're going to stop it at 15 seconds. All right. I seen this on. I see people do this on TikTok, which I have the wrong glove on for this. They take the tumbler and they hit these ends. They hit these ends for a few seconds. To try to seal those the ends of the tumbler. Let's hope. So you can see the logo come through. So we should be pretty good. I'll put this on that wood piece. I peel it immediately. There's a tumbler. It's still a little hot. There's the seam. A little bit of shadowing up top. Not bad. There's the bottom. A little bit. There we go. Tumbler's all good to go. Came out really nice. Really nice. That's why I was thinking my Epson F570 to sell prints, because it does print good. It's just I don't use it for shirts, so maybe I need to get my tumbler game going up. But there's the tumbler. That's a straw straight tumbler. This says do not disturb, game mode activated game. So my son loves to play video games, so this is what's going to be for Christmas. So I may put this one out on Christmas. This is a tumbler one. Hopefully this will be a little short one. And put this back on top of here. So yeah, so 30-ounce tumblers, Heat Press Nation. I've seen if there was some stuff on there. Heat Press Nation. I think this is an 8-in-1 or a 9-in-1. It does all of the ones from shot glasses, the 30 ounces, the mugs, all that good stuff. Every time I've used this so far, it's been great. And that printer, that came out really nice with that paper. You gotta press it a little bit longer because of the paper, and you probably didn't have to use this if all you're doing is tumblers, but put my glove on real quick. Tim, T-Town t-shirt. Always got I got my jacket on. I'm working out in the cold here, so Tim, T-Town t-shirts, tumbler, We do just about everything if you haven't seen that. Make anything from head to toe if you haven't seen. But tumblers, 30-oz tumbler. Hope you like, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you on the next one. This is Tim. Peace.